Welcome back again di Ghost of Tsushima. Part berapa ya? Lupa. Legend mode. Continue. Melanjutkan perjalanan kita ya. Melanjutkan perjalanan kita dari Jin Sakai. Upgrade dulu ya, Sans. Upgrade. Jadi udah terbuka semua ya. Nih, udah kebuka semua. Jadi kemarin waktu kita setelah ngebenerin Lord Shimura itu kita revive Lord Shimura, terus kita ada di Toyotama ya, karena Kastil Shimura dipush oleh Lord siapa itu? Khotun Khan ya, bukan Lord lah dia, Khotun Khan. Terus kita masuk ke area 2 atau Act 2, di sini ada di Toyotama. Terus juga ada beberapa upgrade menarik gitu dari kita, itu ada di teknik dulu. Jadi kita sudah punya yang namanya Dance of Wrath.
So you're the spirit.
I am the wind that stirs the ashes. I am Yarikawa's vengeance.
You spilled blood using a technique that died with the clan of traitors. Who are you? A samurai's daughter? Did you survive the rebellion?
No one survived. This is a land of ghosts.
Who asked you to kill me?
The peasants who bow to you. The merchants who smile as you pay them. All Yarikawa prays for the death of Clan Sakai and Shimura.
Not everyone. Some forgive.
The rest weep for revenge. I will bring them comfort.
See how you move.
Yarikawa is your grave. What are you doing?
Learning. I know how to defeat you.
No, you will die.
You're fast.
You never should have come.
You are a great warrior. You let rage blind you to the true enemy. The Dance of Wrath belongs to me now. I use it as you should have.
Itulah, dan juga kita udah banyak nih upgrade kita udah mentok semua nih. Tuh mentok, ini mau mentok kan. Ada beberapa juga yang belum. Juga kemarin kita itu ada namanya DLC. Jadi DLC-nya itu bisa dikerjain sebelum ataupun sesudah ini ya, game ini gitu. Tamat atau sebelum tamat. Dan kita coba kerjain sebelum tamat. Nih, di sinilah itu dia. Masih ada beberapa side question, cuman ya nggak penting-penting amat lah. Di sini itu isinya cuman nambahin ini sinergi poin, sama ya ada beberapa skin lucu lah. Seperti skin kuda kita nih, coba lihat skin kuda kita mana. Oh, itu dia. Gokil ya. Jadi inilah skin kuda kita dan baju kita. Itu. Dah, langsung aja mungkin ya. Langsung aja kita ke ini, ke Omi Village buat ngelanjutin, karena kita kan disuruh ngambil yang namanya armornya Clan Sakai gitu. Gokil. Itulah. Kita ngambil
No sign of Mongols.
No sign of Mongols ya. Di sini ya. Masuk kita ke rumah. Oh, armor kita nggak ada.
Where is it?
How dare you!
Yuriko.
Young master. I feared you were dead.
I came as soon as I could.
Kita merise from the dead.
Good to see you, Yuriko.
You look tired.
Iyalah,
Are you
tired.
hungry?
Kita mau conquer, kita conquer again.
The Khan's army must have marched past here. Have you had any trouble?
A few bandits. Nothing I can't take care of.
Jago juga dia. Jago.
Come for my father's. My armor.
My father's armor.
You refused to wear it at Komoda Beach.
Iyalah,
A lot has changed since then.
kita sudah mulai menerima
I hid it
kenyataan.
somewhere safe.
Dan ceritanya adalah di DLC-nya itu kita didapat cerita bahwa ayah kita itu invasi ke ini apa namanya,
Come this way.
ke Iki Island namanya. Iki Island itu invasi, di sana itu ada riders namanya. Jadi juga mau dikonquer sama samurai,
I'll get
tapi
Taichi to help me fetch him. He's at the
gagal
cemetery.
gitu ya. Nah,
What's he
yang
doing
disuruh
there?
Lord Shimura buat conquer
Tending
di
the grounds,
Iki Island itu adalah kita,
gathering plants for
klan
my
Sakai
poisons.
gitu. Kita
Keeps
masih
vermin
kecil
out of
dan
our
di
food
sana
stores.
backstory
I'm
yang
glad you're not alone.
zaman dulu
What about
Sakai masih
Oishi?
kecil lah ya intinya.
Alive.
Udah disuruh
The
ikut
Mongols
perang
captured
gitu.
him at Komoda.
Tapi kalah, kayak kita dead.
Others survived. And they're helping you?
Seperti cerita-cerita
A few.
kita di
Lady
episode
Masako.
sebelumnya. Nah, kalau
Okay.
belum paham bisa klik link
She's
in
been
description
fighting
for episode
alongside the boys
sebelumnya.
since she was knee-high.
Jelas.
You'll have to tell me
Playlist
more about that
jelas.
someday.
Game seru, jelas.
It's just the two of you?
A few others. Sensei Ishikawa.
I haven't seen him in years. Does he still act like he's the only one who knows how to do things?
Iya,
Half the time he's
sotoy.
right. But
Sok
his
keras.
aim is unmatched.
He would certainly agree.
Ini kita ke kuburan ayah kita ya. Dulu kan dibakarnya di sini kan.
Lord
Anaknya
Sakai,
Yuriko ya,
you're back.
Taichi.
I wish I could stay. But I hear you're taking good care of Yuriko.
You've got that backwards, my lord.
Taichi, help me get the Sakai armor.
Go. I should pay my respects.
Visit your father's grave.
The weeds haven't
Lari
been
gitu nggak
pulled.
bisa tah.
I'm sorry, Yuriko.
Our lord finally returns and his home is a mess.
I'll fix it immediately.
Don't worry about that now. Let's make sure the armor is perfect.
Lari aja gitu nggak bisa tuh. Bentar, kalau ini misalkan brightnessnya kita tinggiin. Mojang Blanc. Oh enggak. Brightnessnya kita tinggiin gini dong. Nah, yang terang-terang aja lah. Lah, ternyata dia pulang ke rumah kita yang disuruh visit sendiri gitu. Sebel. Pemakaman keluarga Sakai ini ya. Dan oh ya, kita tuh di mana namanya, di Iki Island ini tuh, di Iki Island itu ada yang namanya Fort Sakai nih. Nah, kita dulu kastilnya tuh di sana waktu invasi gitu. Set anjay, kompos haiku. Oh, itu lo keren. Blindfold. I'm blind, not deaf. Reflect on legacy. Apa ya? Ini aja. His grave close, his soul distant. Ini apa? We used to meditate here. Mana lagi? Now I am alone. All things pass away. Ini apa? The old tree lives on.
I mourn my father.
Clan Sakai.
We used to meditate here. This old tree lives on.
Dapat apa? Bandana kayak apa kayak? Enggak. Put your father's armor. Oh, udah balik lagi ke rumah ya. Oke lah. Kita kemarin udah dapat Gosaku armor. Sekarang kita dapat ini armor dari Iki Island, armor dari Horse. Wah, banyak dah kita dah. Armor GG. Capek, udah boleh capek, Sakai. Halo Taichi, di mana
Armor's
Mama
inside,
Taichi?
my lord.
Thank you, Taichi.
Oke. Ambil. Salah. Salah jalan. Nggak apal rumah sendiri ya? Itu dia. Wah, armor kita nih. Kenapa? Sarugami armor. Kita sekarang ngambil Clan Sakai armor ya. Kita claim our clan. Nah, kita di Iki Island ketemu tuh sama Tenzo yang bunuh our father. Cuman kita bekerja sama malahan untuk membasmi Mongol dari sana. Dan yang mempoison itu ada namanya Eagle. Nggak masuk di main story ya, jadi ya udahlah. Kita nggak usah. Ini. Gokil. Nah, kita pakai Sakai armor buat. Kita push ke max level kali ya. Gokil. Kaget nggak dia? Kaget.
Master?
Are you alright?
Yes, just lightheaded. For a moment, I thought you looked.
Kazumasa.
Face us, coward!
Get
Lah.
inside.
Oh, Sakai clan armor. Kita mah nanti dulu. Kita pakai ini dulu. Mana? Nggak bisa ganti.
Drop your sword!
Sini.
Turn up!
Oh,
You will kill me too!
nih Dance of Wrath. Itu dia.
Yuriko!
Straw Hat ini kok berani-berani.
Lord Sakai,
Are you alright?
Butchered them.
is
This
Yarikawa
liar
giving
father.
us trouble again?
The Yarikawa rebellion was 20 years ago. Those men were with the Mongols.
Of course. Seeing you like that, I'm still shaken up. I need to catch my breath.
By the lake. Your favorite tree.
Yes,
Oh,
come.
keren.
You said earlier you've been making poisons.
Keeps the vermin out of our rice.
Can you make it stronger? Enough to kill a man?
No one deserves that.
Can you do it?
The
Bisa
effects
nggak?
in larger doses are ugly.
Nah, dapat poison nih kita nih.
Oh, my lord.
Balor.
Sit with me a moment.
Ya. Mau sit di mana?
Poison has never been the Sakai way.
No Sakai had to fight the Mongol Empire. I need every weapon we have. Tsushima can't afford anything less.
The Mongols have changed you, young master.
The world has changed.
My mother taught me about plants that heal, others that harm, even kill. But they must be consumed. How will you poison the invaders?
A blowgun and dots. I've read of their use by a Genji warrior who studied with monks from the west. Will you help me?
Promise me you'll remain the good man I know.
Oh iyalah, kita mah tetap the good man. Ini mah the
I've
beginning
looked
of
after your every need
Shinobi.
since your mother carried you. I won't stop now.
Tenang, tenang Yuriko.
All I
Sama
need
kita.
is something to make a blowgun.
Used to be a lot of reeds on the other side of the lake, where the old fishermen lived.
Nanti kita lihat
Remember?
perksnya
You and your little
armor
friend
ini
gathered
apa
them to
dan
make
kita
little
sesuaikan sama
boats.
charmnya.
Ryuzo and I, we spend all day reenacting the Battle of Danora.
Be careful, Jin. I've seen fires over there at night. Not sure who it is.
Don't worry, I'll be back soon with reeds.
Oke,
Go get your reeds.
ntar kita mau ganti dulu sama armor kita yang keren dong. Nah, nih lihat Nah, ini armor of the peasant. Wah, ini bagus nih, hitam. Armor kita hitam aja dah. Nah, ini aja pakai ini. Pakai ini kita ganti ke apa namanya? Blindfold mana? Nah. Wah, ini baru keren. Duh, udah mau suruh ke sana ya. 150 jauh lagi. Wah, untung kita ada storyteller. Keuntungan kita membuka map duluan adalah kita bisa nyelesain misi dengan cepat gitu. Banyak fast travel.
Have you seen the flocks of crows?
Yuriko was right. The old fisherman's home has been taken over by bandits.
Are an omen.
Mana?
Let me tell you the legend of the temple.
Oke, kita harus ke sana.
Who will fight?
Oke, kita mau fight with me.
Killing you will
Di sini.
only bring me glory.
Di sini. Selepet. Nah, itulah. Lagi sini, siapa mau dead? Selepet. One more. Selepet. Again, siapa sini? Siapa lagi mau digejrot?
Don't believe the stories about you.
Ini. Udahlah. Aduh. Siapa lagi mau digejrot? Alah, nggak ada ininya. Waduh. Sini, bitch. Oh. Lily. Udah kan? Sekarang kita nyari di sini ya. Oke. Mana ya? Oh, ini.
Perfect
Oh.
for a blowgun. I'll get these to Yuriko.
Oke, kita balik ya. Duh, Yuriko di mana itu? Di situ deket sih. Kita pulang naik kuda aja. Mana kuda kita? Kuda keren kita, bro. Itulah kuda kita. Mana Yuriko di mana? Ini jauh. Ternyata di sono. Ternyata kita tinggal nyebrang nyampe gitu. Cuman ya tuh Yuriko. Nah, kita dari sono. No. Yuriko, I'm coming.
Kazuma's Jean, alone in the world.
Malah nangis. Jin alone in the world. Gak apa-apa.
Excuse me, young master. You caught me thinking about Lord Sakai.
I try not to do that.
He loved you in his way.
Enough of the past. We have a blowgun and darts. All I need now is the poison.
Of course, young master. Come with me. Yes.
Wah,
Have a
lihat
small
nih,
camp
armor
where we gather
kita,
plants and
goks.
herbs for ointments. And poison.
Main poison.
It kills vermin within moments.
Make it strong enough for the invaders. Hiya!
Nah, udah pasti kita nih nanti dapetin ini blow darts ya nggak sih?
It's nice to ride with you again.
You and Lord Shimura taught me to ride. On that runt pony.
You sat so tall and straight in your little saddle, like you were the shogun himself.
Iyalah. Ketemu Shogun.
Oh no, little Jin.
What's so funny?
I just remembered it was out here you nearly killed your uncle.
What?
Apa?
You were 3 or 4. The poor man was trying to teach you how to hold your wooden kodachi. You wanted to chase butterflies.
I know the story. My uncle's black eye took weeks to heal.
Lord Shimura and your father laughed so hard, I fear they'd both choke to death.
I don't remember my father's laugh.
Nah, itulah.
He lost his humor after your mother got sick. But you have your father's laugh. Here we are.
Ya sedih lah, our
Uncle's a
father.
mat and a campfire. You sleep out here?
Only when I spend the day foraging for plants. I'll look for the flowers we need.
Rest, Yuriko. I will get them for you.
Nih.
Don't eat the seeds, they're poisonous.
Ya.
Another child, Yuriko.
Oh, I know. Remember how we'd gather flowers for your mother?
She arranged them for the little alcove at home.
That should be enough. Bring them to me, young master.
Ya, nih.
Your plants.
Good. We extract the seeds, crush them, make a paste, and dip the needles.
Make sure the dose is strong.
It should do what you need.
Ya kaget juga dia, kita udah no ane gitu, udah nggak ada ane.
It's done.
You're sure he came this way? The old woman has a camp around here somewhere.
Listen. Someone's coming.
Stay there, Yuriko.
Nih, kita coba
See
nih.
if this poison works.
He will regret what he did to
Blowgun.
Sadame and the others. I just want his head and the price that goes with it. How much farther? It's around here somewhere. Let me get my bearings.
Kabur dia. Berhasil. Habis lagi 3, yang 1 mana nggak kena lagi.
Are you hurt, young master?
Selalu bermasalah gitu.
Don't worry. I dealt with them.
Keren ya, Gosaku Armor.
Sometimes I forget
The
you're a
ghost of
grown
the
man.
Bajan.
I forget
Kita mah
sometimes
sahabat petani gitu.
too. We should get back to the estate.
I'll stay. I need to straighten the place up.
Don't push yourself too hard.
Hush! You are not a child, and I'm old enough to take care of myself.
What other kinds of poison can you make?
Always so impatient.
Selalu nggak
There is
sabaran.
another. It causes confusion and rage. But the ingredients,
What were they?
were they?
Try to remember.
Ya nanti kita cariin
Sounds
gitu
useful.
loh. Wah, lihat. Pas kan Gosaku Armor
Kage.
sama armornya si Kage. Mantap. Claim your family armor. Ini coba nih nanti ini kita upgrade. Apa namanya? Kita upgrade pedang, kita upgrade baju sama ini jadi pas nih dia punya tanduk-tanduk gitu.
What were they?
Too proud do not endure.
No, it has petals. Ah, a flower. No,
Oke.
not that. Oh, mother, I wish.
Nah, ini
you
pasti
were
nih ini
here.
nih disuruh nyari gitu kan, udah pasti banget. Nih si Yuriko kan, itu nanti aja. Oh ya udahlah sekalian ya, sekalian. Nih side mission.
Young master, would you like something to eat?
I'm fine, Yuriko. I just need the poison. You are trying to remember the ingredients.
They were flowers. You remember them, don't you? The ones I planted at your family cemetery.
I remember washing the graves. Father made me hold buckets of water from the lake.
He knew it would make you strong and teach you to respect your ancestors. Don't you remember the flowers, Jin?
Spider lilies.
Spider lilies.
That's right.
Nanti suruh nyari spider lily ini. The proud do not endure. Kita suruh nyari spider lily buat ininya ya, racun satunya lagi gitu, yang bisa bikin rage.
With enough spider lilies, you can craft a poison that makes rats go mad. Tear each other to pieces.
Tear each other to
It's
pieces.
It's for a good cause. Just make it strong enough to work on men.
If you think it's necessary,
Founder of Shinobi ini kita
I
ini.
know exactly where to find what we need. This way.
Ya. Lari dong.
This part of the forest. I was here when I was a child.
After your mother passed away.
I refused to believe she was gone. So I ran from home and came here.
Your mother loved to take long walks here.
I searched until sundown. I kept shouting for her. But she was gone. I was lost.
You were missing for 3 days. Nearly dead by the time your father found you.
I've never seen him so angry.
Angry at himself for failing to protect you. I've seen your father before countless battles, and he was never more worried than the sleepless nights he spent searching for his only son. Not much farther to the cemetery.
Ayo dong.
I wonder what your father would make of the ghost.
He would disapprove, like my uncle.
Don't be so sure. They argued often. Kazumasa thought your uncle too rigid, willfully blind to possibilities.
Iya.
Kazumasa had imagination.
Imagination. My father?
Apa?
You're like him in more ways than you know.
Oke.
Careful.
Disrespecting the dead.
Stay here.
Wah, kita kill mereka ini. Kita the ghost. Set. Dead. Alah, kita pakai ini aja. Oke, dead. Mana lagi? Aduh, nggak bisa naik. Udahlah. Alah. Wow. Awas dong. Sans dong. Nih leadernya dulu nih. Oh. Waduh, kok nggak kena? Apa sih? Enggak, salah pencet terus. Wah, nyebelin sih. Si anjing ini tuh memang bener-bener. Sini bitch. Ini. Mana lagi? Waduh. Sini bitch. Udahlah. Mana lagi? Aduh. Yoriko, kamu nggak bantuin ya?
Did you drive them off?
Yes, it's safe to look for the spider lilies.
Why would we look for them here?
Isn't this where you used to plant them?
Oh, no, not here. It's been so long. They're in another cemetery. Your great aunt's branch of the family. It's not far.
Mana? Di mana? Mana kuda gigi kita? Mana kuda gigi?
Yuriko, do you remember? I was 5 or 6. I had a nightmare about this forest. A fight.
It wasn't a nightmare. I told you it was to keep you calm.
That was real? I remember men shouting.
Our retinue was returning home late one night. We were ambushed by Ronin.
The Ronin must have been dangerous. My father's samurai were frightened.
Not of the Ronin. Of Kazumasa.
Of my father? Why?
He and his samurai drove the Ronin off. But Kazumasa pursued them on foot. You could hear their screams.
Ya,
He returned to us just before dawn,
ya.
covered in blood. Some of his own men mistook him for a demon of the forest. Do you recognize this lake?
We used to meditate here.
Sama mamanya ya.
How
Apa?
you'd fidget.
You told me to pretend I was a rock, and all I wanted was to swim.
The view's much better from the shore. Join me, young master.
Ya.
These old bones need a rest.
Ini spider lily nih, bukannya? Iya kok.
This time you'll have to keep me from fidgeting.
Kenapa sih? Gokil ya,
Some of my
armornya.
favorite memories
Armor of
happen
the
at
Bazan.
this lake.
Stopping a child's fidgeting?
Your mother and I would come here when she was pregnant with you.
We should keep moving.
A grown man, and you still can barely sit
We
still.
can meditate again. After the war.
Yes, young master.
Yang master muda. Lari gitu loh, yang cepet gitu loh. Kita ini lagi on the war loh. Jangan mentang-mentang kamu sama The Ghost loh. Jadi ngesan sih, tapi jangan
Cemetery
wasting my
isn't far.
time.
Feels much closer when you're not carrying water.
Ada bandit lagi. Oh enggak.
How could they?
They They may break stone, but they cannot erase the memory of these warriors.
Please gather the spider lilies. I can't bear to look.
Oke. Gak bisa ternyata, Cok.
My aunt Matsu would weep at the condition of this place. Most of these warriors fell in the rebellion at Yarikawa. They deserve better than this.
Alah. Alah. Beberapa kali kita ngestak gitu dia balik sendiri. Bagus sih.
This is all I could find.
It is enough to make the poison, but I don't want our time to end.
The Shimura Cemetery isn't far.
With a view of the waterfall. Let's go, my lord.
Let go, my lord. Travel with Yuriko. Ayo Yuriko.
Yes.
Jawab lagi deh. Yes.
Kazumasa, I do enjoy our rides together.
Did you say Kazumasa?
Did I? You ride with your father's grace.
Iyalah.
Did you often go riding with my father?
Lord Sakai taught me to ride a horse.
Kita mau udah pakai ini lagi.
Careful. Straw Hat's ahead.
Wait, I can mix the new poison for you.
Wah, ini nih. Ini kita dikasih new
How does it
poison.
work?
Oh, it's terrible. Causes madness. They'll turn on each other like wild beasts.
Good. Make it. Quickly.
Good. Make it quickly.
Poison is finished. Take it.
Hallucination dart. Oke. Ini apa? Poison dart, hallucination dart. Oke.
I'll stay here.
Ini sih mending kita kill dulu yang di atas ya pakai ini.
Can't believe Juzo tried to recruit Lady Masako.
Banyak ngomong dia. Nah. Waduh, ada dia.
What's that?
Nah. Fight nih dia nih. Lah.
But we must set an example for our people.
Oh,
By remaining true to our code. And to ourselves.
fight with Anna.
The poison's just for now. After the Mongols are gone, I won't.
Tenang
need it.
aja, Father. Lord. Uncle. Ini kita kill juga deh.
Enemy archer!
Kok enemy archer? Anjing nggak kena.
Need to catch up. Watch his sword!
Udahlah kita keluarin aja. Udahlah. Aduh, gitu dia. Terhuyung-huyung kamu dik. Mana kunai. Anjing disuruh ngeberesin semua gitu. Aduh. Sebel. Aduh, Yuriko, ntar looting. Mana Yuriko? Cuma kepake
I thought
satu
we rid
Yuriko.
ourselves of those bandits.
Yang satu nggak kena Yuriko.
Not bandits, straw hats. Ryuzo's men.
Where did that young man go wrong?
I ask myself that all the time.
After all this,
Ryuzo traitor.
I'm worried about the Shimura cemetery, my lord. Would you check on it with me?
Ya,
Of course, Yuriko. Let's have a look.
let's go, let's go. Mana? Lari nggak bisa Yuriko?
Are you tired, Yuriko?
No, Lord Sakai.
Kenapa?
This is the best day I've had since our afternoon at Lake Oni.
I don't remember that. You are sure that was me?
Spider Lily.
It was so long ago. You must have forgotten.
Lumayan, Spider Lily. Itu ada Spider Lily lagi nggak? Shimura Cemetery.
The war hasn't touched this place.
Kanan kiri, kiri. Duh, sebel banget nih kalau misi-misi yang harus jalan gini tuh nyebelin.
Do you remember, young master?
Enggak.
We'd pay our respects to the Shimura warriors buried here. Then spend the afternoon writing poems.
I remember.
Anjay.
Let's write one now.
Kompos Haikyuu. Itu ini ya Kastil Shimura.
Soaring ambition.
Soaring ambition.
Endlessly flowing water. Life blossoms
And fades. Apa kayak dapat bandana kayak atau apa gitu loh dari misi-misi gini nih.
Well said, my lord. The proud do not endure. The greatest of us fall in the end.
We should return to Omi.
I'll stay a while.
I know better than to argue.
Good. You learned something today. Kazumasa used to say Lord Shimura was too concerned with that castle.
The strongest point on the island.
He equated strength with
With the huge
immovable.
immovable.
like a mountain.
Yet a point. Doubt and indecision have destroyed armies.
Ya,
In the midst of battle, true leaders must stay rooted, stand firm.
But look at that waterfall. All that
nggak bisa ganti baju gitu ya pas ini.
yields to water. The strength we need is all around us.
is all around
I
us.
have one more place I would like to visit, my lord.
Ya, sanalah.
When you're ready.
Masih ada satu lagi gitu. Masih ada satu lagi. Yuriko's keepsake.
Lord Sakai,
Nantilah ya. Kita lanjutin dulu perjalanan kita di mana lagi? Umugikov ini apa sih? Ini A Message in Fire, Jin's Journey. Ini kalau ini kita dapat Tales of Yarikawa. Ini aja dah. Tales of Yarikawa. Ini ya. Kampung halamannya sih Yuna Yarikawa. Satunya di Umugikov ya, The Walls of Yarikawa. Oh, kita upgrade dulu. Bukan di
I work
sini.
metals, woods, and cloth.
Ranged capacity. Nih apa nih? Kita upgrade dulu lah.
Just for you.
Biar banyak gitu bisa bawanya, masa 2 doang. 4 lah.
An excellent choice.
Oke.
Goodbye.
Ya, thank you.
Until we next meet.
Nanti lah ya habis dari ini.
Jin, you made it.
Yang made it apa lah?
Why are these people outside the town walls?
The Mongols have surrounded Yarikawa. No one can get in.
Wah,
Recruiting Lord Shimura's old rivals was never going to be easy. But now,
Now they need allies too. Think about it.
we
ya
help
jadi
them
dulu
drive
itu
off the Mongols,
Yarikawa itu ya
and they help
kayak
us.
Itachinya Konoha gitu
I
loh.
need their word before I
Jadi
fight
ada
for them.
rivals di dalam
We
situ.
can't even get into the
Dan
city.
Yes, we can.
mereka
There's a hidden
lagi nggak
entrance.
baik-baik saja, tapi
From
sekarang
when
lagi
we were
on war
children.
gini ya, harus
Even if it's
bersatu
still
lah.
there, we can't reach it.
It's worth a try.
I know a place we can scout for a way around
Klan
Mongol
Uchiha
siege.
gitu loh. The Walls of Yarikawa. Ya, Yarikawanya butuh Shimura butuh Yarikawa gitu.
It's
Yeah.
strange being back after so many years. Everywhere I look brings back memories.
Try not to look so hard.
You both left years before the rebellion broke out. For Otsuna.
You told him about that, Yuna?
I had to go to Otsuna. Jin helped me.
Did you find Ichi?
We'll talk about it later.
That doesn't sound good.
They're heading for town.
Let them pass.
Loh, kok lihat tuh?
Hey, Jin!
Lah.
They're
Mana?
clear. This way.
Kemana? Aduh. NPC-nya agak bodoh.
I don't want to see this,
We've seen worse.
but this was home.
I had the same fears about returning to Omi village. But you have to face your past.
Anjay. But you have to face your past.
Our home.
Surrounded
Our
by the
home
enemy.
surrounded by the enemy.
Yarikawa doesn't stand a chance.
Yuna, where's the hidden entrance?
See that river near the town walls? Get us that far, and I'll do the rest.
We can't sneak past an army. And even if we find an entrance, what if the Mongols see us? We'll sentence
Fight
the town to
lah.
death.
Taka,
You
I
have
staked my
me.
life on your metalwork. Now it's your turn to trust me.
Itulah. Trust me, Taka.
Yes, my
I'm
lord.
the ghost of the Tsushima.
I don't see how we can make it to the river.
We'll find a way. Could take the fight to the
Sans
Mongols.
saja, sans.
Draw them off.
Please, no.
Taka's right. Too risky.
Udah kita maju dari
Mongols
depan
won't
dulu,
keep
kita
this
menang
many
ini mah.
Mongols out. Azamo Bay fell. Yarikawa will too.
I know these people. They'll choose death before slavery.
Mana lagi? Itu sana.
The hidden entrance used to be over there, behind that white tree.
Let's hope the Mongols haven't found it. We just have to find a way through the camp.
Once we reach the water, it should be easy to find the entrance without being spotted.
That's our plan? Sneak through the biggest Mongol camp I've ever seen? Then hope the secret entrance we used as children is still there?
Yeah, stay close aja Taka. Udah
Let's go.
pasrahin sama kita.
Let's go.
Can't believe I'm risking my life coming back to this dump.
This was your idea.
I need to prove my worth to your uncle. Earn us passage off this island.
I loved it here.
You were too young to know how it really was.
Sini
Jericho was an
sini.
ugly place for a girl without a handful of rice to her name.
Is that why you left?
No. I got us in trouble.
It wasn't your fault.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
Be ready to run.
Jangan di situ dong, kelihatan dong kamu. Ih,
Arvo! Huh?
ih.
I can't keep going.
Just follow Jin to the river.
Ih, takut.
We used to catch dragonflies here, didn't we?
And make them fight.
We pretend one was a Yarikawa samurai, and the other was a...
A Shimura samurai.
Shimura samurai.
Always lost.
And Shimura always
Interesting
lost.
choice.
Nah, harusnya kita pakai ini ya.
Under the waterfall.
Nah,
It's still here.
And then put to good use.
Probably
Supplies.
why they've held out this long.
When we get up there, let me do the talking.
It's your hometown.
itu ada.
Who are you? How did you get in?
My brother and I
Oh,
were
belum
born
masuk
here.
ya ternyata.
Did the Mongols see you?
No, but we're here to help you break their siege.
First, tell me the name of the dead samurai you stole your gear from.
Lah,
He's not a thief. He's the ghost. The ghost?
jangan
I'll take you
sembrono.
to Ujimasa. But mind your step. We're all armed here. Run and tell the steward! Right away!
Ujimasa.
Muji
What's the
masa.
name of Lord Yarikawa's youngest son? My uncle disbanded their clan when he defeated them.
Tuh,
The family still runs things here. Unofficially, your uncle put down a rebellion and created a generation of people who hate Clan Shimura.
tuh. Ya dulu ceritanya.
the bridge!
Aduh,
You three, follow me and stay close. What's
Yeah.
going on?
A disturbance at the main gate.
That can't be good.
It's their leader. Are they going to attack?
Let's find out what they want.
ya intinya Yarikawa tuh dulu punya master yang hebat gitu, punya Genso Frat gitu kan.
I am Temuge, leader of this war band. I learned your speech, so I may offer you a future.
Ah, bacot.
Open your gates before my camp flies the black flag, and you will know great mercy. Refuse, and you will know terrible misery. Choose your future, Yarikawa.
They're leaving. Let's go. If Yarikawa surrenders, Lord Shimura won't get his army.
Don't worry, they're too stubborn to surrender.
If they don't, it will be a bloodbath.
They need my uncle to survive. Yarikawa needs to let go of the past.
Easier said than done.
Ujimasa.
Ujimasa knows you're here. You two go ahead. I want to check on the swordsmith.
Ujimasa. Kayaknya nih ditinggiin nggak apa-apa nih.
Lord Sakai.
Ujimasa Yarikawa.
I never thought Lord Shimura's nephew would be responsible for,
For the ghost.
Let's be careful, or he'll punish you,
Anjay.
as he punished my once great family.
For inciting rebellion against your Chito.
That was years ago. We've all got bigger problems now.
Tuh.
Who's this? Your servant?
I was born here.
Yet you're aiding Clan Shimura.
No, I'm fighting for Lord Sakai. For the ghost.
We can help break the siege outside your walls. In return, Lord Shimura requests your help.
The Mongols want to conquer the mainland. They will lose interest in us. And Yarikawa will survive.
Nggak akan, bro. Songong.
Like we always do.
Ya
That
udah.
could have gone better.
Biarkan
Let's find
saja.
Ujimasa is a fool.
He can be convinced.
The whole island's burning, and Yarikawa's next. If that doesn't convince him, nothing will. Taka used to visit his swordsmith every day. If there was any leftover metal, he'd let my brother pretend to make swords.
The swordsmith remembered you?
Shinsuke passed away. That's his son. How did it go?
Ujimasa thinks they can outlast the siege.
The smith told me all the best archers left to fight the Mongols against Ujimasa's orders. They've been missing for days.
If we find these archers, they may help us break the Mongol siege
Ya,
and win the town's support.
coba.
Meet me in old Yarikawa when you can. We'll look for them there.
And show Yarikawa how to fight back.
Oke. Sip. Udah selesai di sini ya. Berarti kita ke The Coward of Yarikawa. Let's go. Kita selesaikan sekalian misi Yarikawa ini mungkin ya. Jauh 190. Mana kudaku? Kage.
I'm sorry, Yuma.
No, you're not.
Remember the old fisherman with 6 toes? Didn't he live in one of these houses?
You know,
Don't change the
what's he
subject.
doing here?
Aduh, udahlah. Malah mau ke setek itu.
I told him not to come.
I wanted to help Lord Sakai. If I stayed in Yarikawa, I'd be useless.
Better useless than dead.
Iya
We're
betul.
searching for missing soldiers. You're not trained for this.
I can learn. And I won't get in the way.
Fine.
Nanti
be careful.
dead aja, awas
And
aja.
listen to your sister.
Yes, my lord.
Any sign of the archers?
Locals have seen them in this area, but we haven't.
Let's look around.
Look around for sign of the archer.
Someone killed them.
Wasn't us.
Arrow wounds.
Where are the arrows?
Pulled out to reuse them.
Sign of a skilled archer. Tracks. 3, 4 men.
Can you tell where they went?
Let's find out.
We used to come here to catch crickets.
At least once a week.
Then we'd weave tiny bamboo cages for them.
Do you remember why we came here to catch crickets? To get you away from our mother. When she was angry and looking for someone to blame, the crickets kept you busy.
Tetap ada suara-suara
Tracks lead to
Mongol.
this house.
Didn't the samurai live here? You want
Oh, anjir. Udahlah.
I'm sorry.
You have to be more careful.
We should check the house.
I'll look out here.
Examine.
Gozan mats. They've been sleeping here.
At least the bear didn't get them.
The bear ate most of their food.
Maybe that's why I'm still alive. He wasn't hungry.
Arrowheads, bowstrings, hide to make adhesive. The archers must have been here.
Jin, Taka, I found something.
Yeah, santai aja
Firewood
kali.
is still warm.
The archers were staying in the house. They must be close.
Search near the campfire. Apa yang di search, Bang? Apa yang di search BTW?
They stole the Mongols' explosive barrels.
I like these archers.
Udah.
Tracks here.
Tadi perasaan gak ada jejak kaki dah. Sekarang kok ada.
There they are.
Heading up the hill toward that ridge.
They're staying low for a reason. Keep your heads down and don't call out.
Approach the archer. Halo bang.
A samurai! Alive! Get over here!
Daikoku.
You must be the archers from Yarikawa.
What's left of them? The Mongols caught us raiding a camp for supplies. We barely got away.
What about the others?
Captured. We tracked them here.
We can help you free them.
You look like you can handle yourselves.
Iyalah.
I'm Daikoku.
Jin Sakai.
Sakai, eh? As long as you're not the Shimura.
As long as you're not the
Have a look
Shimura.
at that camp. Prison caravan. Looks like the Mongols are preparing to move.
Headed for a garrison on the other side of Old Yarikawa. We need to strike now, before
Before
they
they
leave.
leave.
There's your archers. All in good health.
The sooner we free them, the better.
Oke.
Bad idea to rush in. We know where they're headed. We can set an ambush along the route.
The terrain isn't good for an ambush.
What about Old Yarikawa?
Rooftops on both sides of the road.
We can even use your stolen explosives.
You found that, huh? I like the way you think.
Good. Let's move before the Mongols do.
Oke. Kita setting for an ambush. Kita ambush di
The
jalan.
Mongols are
nanti.
headed this way. Taka, get inside one of the houses.
No. I'm staying out here. I can fight too.
Nah,
Jin, tell him.
Taka can decide for himself.
And you
bagus.
can watch out for him.
Kenapa gitu, kan adekmu, Cuk? Kenapa kita yang disuruh watch out loh?
Are you
Kenapa kita
scared?
yang disuruh watching,
No.
watching?
Not really.
Little.
A little. Yuna's never afraid. You're probably like that too.
Fear drives you to be stronger, fight harder. My father taught me that.
I never knew my father. When I get scared, I can't think. I freeze.
That's because you lack training. Yuna's been in danger many times. She's had more practice than you.
Ya, beda
Without
jam
her,
terbang aja.
I'd be dead.
So would I.
Speak with Taka.
There they are. I'll shoot the barrels when the Mongols get close.
Lord Sakai, I'm not ready.
You can do this, Taka. Just take your fear and use it.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord.
Not yet.
Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Santai aja.
Close enough now, right?
Lam.
No mercy!
Lam. Santai aja, santai aja. Wah. Ada yang nembaki panah dari mana? Oh, teman kita ya.
No, it's him.
Wah, anjing. Woi, sans dong. Kenapa kita yang ditembakin dari sekian banyak?
Enemy archer! Hurry, find him!
Lah. Kocak banget nih. Wah, nggak kena, Cok. Wah, kita pakai yang gede. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Duh, taka. Duh, ini mah. Udahlah, Cok. Mana lagi? Mana lagi? Ini si bitch ini nyols ya. Aduh. Turun. Mau kemana sih Daikoku? Lagian perang sampai sono.
Lord Sakai!
Good work, Daikoku. Take your men back to Yarikawa stronghold.
Right away. I know you're a Sakai, but you didn't mention you're a ghost. We have your help breaking the siege.
If Ujimasa accepts it.
I'll make sure he does. The stories are true. I've never seen anyone fight like you.
Ya
Taka.
gimana?
Go with Daikoku. I need a moment with Jin.
I'll see you back home.
I'll see you back
We
home.
did it!
Taka could have been killed, Jin. I saw him fall.
Iya.
He's fine. He did everything perfectly.
Enggak sih.
I shouldn't have let him fight.
You know,
Enggak sih.
I know you
Tadi
want to
dia
protect
dead.
him.
Kita
You're
revive.
holding him back.
Kita revive.
Taka's not a fighter.
He could become one.
You don't know my brother like I do.
You can't always be the one to defend him.
I'll decide what's best for Taka. You look after your own family. I need to go back. We still need to end this siege.
I'll see you there.
Oke. The Coward of Yarikawa. Wah, kita bentar lagi udah mau ke Raging Storm. Aduh, ada yang dead ya. Iya ini mah. Udah dong, kirain nungguin lama banget. Oke. Sip. Kita berarti ke ini di Yarikawa ya. Mana? Bukan. The Ghost Tents. Kita bakal dapat Ghost Tents, bro. Ayo gas. Apa itu Ghost Tents?
Lord Sakai, you're back.
Taka. Yarikawa has a fighting chance because of our efforts. You should be proud.
I am, my lord. But the Mongols are growing restless outside.
We showed them Yarikawa won't surrender. Now they want payback.
Will they attack tonight?
Unlikely. They'll
Let's
give
go,
us a
let's
sleepless
go.
night, then attack tomorrow when we're exhausted. Get some rest while you can.
Ya, Ghost of Yarikawa. Oke, berarti hari ini penyerangan Yarikawa ya. Jadi kan
I
udah
almost forgot.
3
Yuna
hari
is in the
mungkin.
keep. She wants you to meet her there.
Thank you.
Meet Yuna at the top of the Seaward Keep.
Your fort is weak. The Mongols will cut you down.
Lord Sakai.
Ya. Oh, di sini dia.
Preparation for the town's defenses are going well.
Daikoku tells me this is the ghost's doing. Thank you.
Ya.
Don't change what I think of your uncle.
Ya.
That's not my goal. The samurai were wiped out. We need
You
you.
need bodies to throw at the Mongols.
Yarikawa's people are known for courage and skill. We need that more than anything.
I'll consider it.
Masih aja berpikir jelek gitu. Aduh, Yuna di atas ternyata dia ngapain di rumahnya orang gitu. Itu nggak bisa diambil itu bajunya, armornya Yarikawa.
You're awake
Mendadak
too.
jadi penting gitu Yuna ya.
They killed the samurai. A chance to a bunch of farmers have.
We have to try.
I think you need this more than me.
Ya, sakit dia sakit. Cil. Minum dulu, skuy. Mabora. Seruput manja. Oke, langsung jangan banyak drama-drama lah. Anjing gaji 3.
Kenji spent the rest of the day wearing one sandal.
Anjing masih bawa 2.
This is terrible.
My mother loved it. Used to drink it like water.
Anjing.
She gets so mad when she ran out. Yelled at us. Where's my tea?
Sounds like a demanding woman.
She broke Taka's arm when he was 6.
Anjir.
Took
Diapain?
him away.
Diapain itu umur 6 tahun
Ran
tangannya
as far from
dipatahin.
her as we could get. We heard they found her a month later. Face down in
Ganggu
the
ini
street.
cara nggak kelihatan mukanya gini kan lihat.
You were brave to protect your brother.
Bagus loh, keren loh. Efektif loh. Aslinya pun kan armornya samurai itu efektif, light, terus juga
Just to walk away from
dia
everything we
buat
know.
first impressionnya musuhnya tuh juga jujur garang gitu. Udah ngajak tos nggak ditos gitu apa gimana? Ayo dong, let's go dong. Mana nih?
Yuna,
Jin, this is it.
to the gates.
To the gates. Masih mabuk padahal nih.
Whatever happens,
Sempoyongan nggak nih?
we don't retreat.
Oh, kirain
Jin!
sempoyong.
Yuna! The Mongols!
Ya.
Let's go. How close?
They're at the main gates. If they get through,
We'll stop them.
The ghost!
the ghost! Save us!
Taka, gather everyone who can't fight and get them to the keep.
Everyone! Take shelter in the keep! Quickly!
They're at the gate!
Daikaku.
They've reached the gate.
Stand your ground! Every Mongol who sets foot inside our walls will die! Don't let them
Wah.
past you!
Cut him down! Oh, Yarikawa!
For Yarikawa, let's go. Langsung kita dead. Jangan kasih masuk. Kunai lempar. Mana lagi? Tadi si Blitz tadi ada yang masuk. Ini leadernya nih. Mana dia? Jangan kasih masuk lah. Lah. Udahlah. Mana lagi? Lah, di sini ternyata.
Jin, they're breaking through the other gate.
Defend to the other gate.
Hold this position!
Wah.
Hina, with me! Drive them back! Hold this gate!
Wah, kita mah di depan aja lah. Stret. Nah, itulah.
Keep them out of the city! Archers! Hold them back!
Dah, minggir dud. Mampus. Dead kamu. Awas kamu. Dead kamu. Up. Itulah. Lah, nggak ngeliat. Awas kamu. Teman-temannya bantu dong. Aduh, sebel. Teman-temannya nggak ada bantunya gitu loh.
Drive them back! Hold this gate!
Tegus apa?
Hold the gate! Drive them back!
Wah, ini sih nyebelin sih. Aku sih pakai armor ini sih. Sarugami armor. Sini. Kemana-mana gitu jadinya.
Charging the bridge!
Keep them out of the city! Archers! Hold them back!
Ini apa lagi? Nih. Wup, kok semuanya? Jangan semuanya dong. Mana lagi? Loh. Udah. Mana lagi, Cuk? Astaga naga, itu nggak kelar-kelar loh. Udah, push.
falling back?
We barely damaged them. What are they up to?
Trying to lure us out?
Hold them off as long as you can, then fall back to the keep. I'll deal with the siege weapons.
I should come with you.
No, Taka needs you.
Anjay, sendiri ya, alone. Alone at last.
Have to break through the Mongol.
Raise the Mongol.
Destroy their siege weapons.
Mana Mongol siege weaponnya? Aduh. Oh, sini ya. Diam dulu ah. Keburu dead kan. Sini. Ada lagi tadi. Aku udah rage banget nih. Sini culun. Apa sih? Gimana lah destroy-nya? Masih ada dua loh. Anjing. Copo, sini bitch. Anjing. Musuhnya keroyokan gitu banyak.
They broke through the walls. But we can still drive them out. Won't be easy to get back to the stronghold.
Return to Yarikawa stronghold. Kabur. Kill yang bisa di-kill aja. Kill yang bisa di-kill aja. Anjing.
Sounds like he's near the keep.
Kok Yarikawanya fall sih? Mas dong, minggir. Lah. Wah, si bitch. Wah, Ujimasa dead nggak?
Temuge, face me! The ghost! Khotun will reward me for your head!
Coba, sini. Coba sini. Kita udah pakai baju kemenangan ini. Kita mau nggak dead ini. Sarugami Arma.
I am Jin Sakai, and I have killed men like you all across our island.
Your blood will soak the island!
Careful, Temuge. You can't get caught
Lama
into
kamu.
if you're dead.
Aku yang mulai duluan.
You will not get another!
Waduh. Hop, sans dong.
You have killed men in many
Easy. Sini Temuge.
You die.
Pakai gituan. Makainya gituan terus Temuge. Sini Temuge. Berani-beraninya. Langsung di kill nih. Slaughter. Wah, apaan tuh? V left alt.
Invaders! Look at your general! Run!
Wah,
This will be your fate!
waduh,
People of Yarikawa!
gokil.
Every Mongol to the last man! Spare no one!
Spare no one, bro.
Keep after them! Kill them all!
Your damage, your ghost skill streak has reset. Oke. Oh, gitu ya. Sini.
Everyone to the gate! Push through!
Udahlah. Udah pasti dead, kamu pasti dead.
Push them back!
Kamu pasti dead. Dead. Bikin kabur semuanya. Hai, mak.
Yuna! We saved your town. Now, we help Lord Shimura save our island.
We are not soldiers.
Who killed these Mongols? Who stood against the siege? Who saved Yarikawa? We did.
You can't just stay here and wait for the Mongols to try again.
You say you are not soldiers.
The power of kata-kata.
You are warriors. We can defeat the invaders and save our home. But only if we stand together.
Anjir, keren. Mana pas banget lagi bajunya Sarugami Armor, The Ghost of Yarikawa. Ya di Iki Island kalau ini, apa nggak usah aku iniin lah ya. Di Iki Island bilangnya dia Jin from Yarikawa katanya. Bukan Jin Sakai. Karena dibantai-bantai nanti Jin Sakai, kalau bakal dibantai-bantai kalau
Defeated one of my best generals. My
bakal
men
dibantai-bantai
started
kalau
with
misalkan
wrong.
siapa namanya Jin Sakai pakai nama
I don't
Sakai
care
di
about the reward for Jin's head. Have you
Iki
stopped
Island.
caring for your loyal straw hats? Jin is the best swordsman on the island.
jelas.
My men can't kill him.
Jelas.
There are many ways to eliminate a foe.
Licik
Find
nih pasti.
another.
Ini licik nih pasti nih.
What if we didn't have to kill him?
Lah terus. Wah, setengah-setengah gini nih gak suka nih. Aduh, Yarikawa sudah berhasil kita taklukkan pemirsa. Ghost stance, either slaughter Mongol leader without taking damage. Oke.
It's done. Yarikawa will join our fight. I have
Iyalah.
other duties before we can retake Lord Shimura's castle.
Ya, cep. Mungkin segitu dulu aja episode kita kali ini. Yarikawa sudah kita ajak untuk join our clan, our fight, untuk mengalahkan si Khotun Khan. Gimana mau tahu kelanjutan ceritanya? Bisa tonton episode selanjutnya ya. Tunggu aja, ya nggak sih? Silakan komen, like, and subscribe, share sebanyak-banyaknya. Kalau kalian suka video ini, jangan lupa ditonton episode yang lain, ya nggak sih? Jelas seru, jelas keren. Thank you yang udah nonton. See you in the next video. Bye.